Hello, I'm Paul Gorrie from the Navigator Network, current holder of the Australian Firm of the Year with Now Infinity. One good thing that came from the May 2017 budget was the extension of the immediate deduction for assets costing $20,000, 30th of June 2018. Basically, this concession says that you're immediately able to claim a full tax deduction for most assets as long as they've been purchased and installed prior to 30th of June 2018. Additionally, the threshold for turnover for businesses being able to access concession was raised. Now a business with a turnover of less than $10 million is able to access this concession. Previously, only businesses with a turnover up to $2 million were able to access this. If you purchase assets for more than $20,000, you can put these assets into a pool and claim depreciation of 15% in the first year and 30% after the first year. Also, once the balance of the pool is less than $20,000, you can then write off the balance of the pool and claim this full amount as a tax deduction. By the way, from 1 July 2018, the threshold for the immediate write-off for assets reduces to $1,000. So the takeaway here should be to review your capital expenditure prior to 30th of June 2018 and bring forward any larger asset purchases in order to immediately write them off. If you'd like further information regarding this, please call our office or email us.